Dear students and viewers, I'm glad to bring to you another part of this video series on narration, and especially today also I'm going to talk on assertive sentence. And today basically I'm going to talk on the past tense form of reporting verb. When the reporting verb is past tense, what are the changes we have to make in the reported speech? I'm going to discuss it in details, and especially for those who are TED aspirants, it's going to be a very helpful video. And after watching my video, if you think that my video is at least helping you in some way, please consider subscribing to my channel and keep me supported. I'm trying to cover all the different topics included for TED syllabus in English, so stay tuned and learn from the class. So without delay, let's move into the class. I'll see you there in the class. Dear students and viewers, welcome back to my class. Today we will discuss on the rules of changing speeches from direct to indirect. Direct and indirect speech is also called narration. The working of narration can be found on 5 different kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Today on assertive sentence we are going to discuss on the past tense form of reporting verb. Let's look at the rules first of all. Having done away with the first, second, and third rules in the previous videos, today we're going to look at rule number 4, 5, and 6. Number 4 goes, when the reporting verb is past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech in the indirect will change to its corresponding past tense form. This is the corresponding past tense form. What you will see in the direct speech, and this is what you will see in the indirect speech. Okay, so simple present tense in the reported speech will change to simple past, present continuous to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous, simple past to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous, and the things with modal auxiliaries or future kind of thing will be changed to like this. Can will be changed to could, shall or will to would, may to might, shall or will be changed to should if it is interrogative sentence. Okay, so these are our various ways how we can change a sentence, but this will happen only when we have the reporting verb in the past tense form. Okay, so remember, reporting verb is past tense, and then you will have these changes occurring in narration. In this example, he said, "I am happy." It is changed to he said that he was happy. Now rule number 5. In case of the reported speech, a universal truth or habitual action, the tense of the verb in the reported speech will not change. In this example, the teacher said, "The earth is round." It can be changed to the teacher said that the earth is round. And in this example, he said, "I take bath in the Ganges every morning." It can be changed to he said that he takes bath in the Ganges every morning. Here, every morning indicates present activity done in a regular basis. Therefore, the tense of the reported speech remains same. Now in the 6th rule, it says, nearness of time will be shifted to farness of time and place if the reporting verb is past tense. Now this is our shift of time. If the reporting verb is past tense, then near object will go far away. So a go in direct sentence will be changed to before in the indirect sentence. So likewise, come will change to go. But remember, this will follow only indirect sentence and this will follow only direct sentence. In case you already see this in the direct sentence, okay, this is for indirect sentence, but you already see go in the direct sentence itself. That means this go is seen here. Then you are not supposed to change it to come, because go will remain go only in the indirect also. But if it is come in the direct sentence, it will change to go. This example, he said I go to school, is changed to he said that he went to school. But in this sentence, Rana said he comes to school will be changed to Rana said that he went to school. That's how come in the direct will be changed to go in the indirect, where we have the verb went in the past tense form. Okay, so these techniques and details you have to remember. So these are the words. Go will change to before, come will change to go, hence will change to thence, hither will change to thither, here will change to there, just will change to then, now will change to also to then, this to that, these to those, das to so, and here we have tonight, that night, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Yesterday will change to the previous day or the day before. Last night or last week or last year or last month, this will be changed to the previous night, week, year or month. Then next week, next month or next year will change to the following week, the following month or the following year. Okay, and yesterday morning will change to the previous morning or the morning before. Okay, so these are the changes that we have to make when we see this kind of thing in the direct sentence. Obviously it's going to be like this in the indirect if your reporting verb is past tense. Let me take you to the board and explain with examples. Here we have an example. Arun said, I do not know this boy. This is our reporting speech and this is our reported speech. Now, according to the corresponding tense form, we have to first of all look at the tense of this sentence. What's the tense of this sentence? I do not know this boy. I do not know, which is simple present. This is simple present. And then it is because of the past tense form of reporting verb that we have here that this tense will change from simple present to simple past tense. That's our corresponding past tense form. Okay, so when we change this sentence from this kind to the other, it will become Arun. Now said will remain as said, then comma and inverted commas will go away. It will be like this. We introduced the conjunction that, and in the previous video regarding the first person pronouns here in the reported speech, this is affected by the subject of the reporting speech. Our subject is Arun. So what will be the pronoun form of Arun when we bring it here? This is masculine gender, and that's why we will use he here instead of I. So Arun said that he. Now simple past tense will be did not know that boy. One more thing we have learned in the process, that nearness, which is this here, nearness will go away, which becomes farness. So this will change to that. This is how time and place will change depending on what kind of reporting verb you have and what word you are using in the reported speech. That's how this sentence, Arun said, I do not know this boy, will be changed to Arun said that he did not know the boy. The process here, do know. Past tense form is like you have the word knew, which is past tense. When we break this word, it becomes did plus know. So in this case, we have used did plus know. He, this is negative, that's why we are using did. So did plus know. Did plus know is being used because of negative. If we make it affirmative sentence, then it becomes he knew that boy. So not and did will go away. Instead, this will become knew. So it is not very confusing. You have to understand how this kind of things work together. let us see one more example. This example, Mohan said to me, Raman tells a lie. This is also similar example, but in this case our reporting speech is slightly different. We have object also in our sentence. So when we have object like this, to me, to him, such kind of thing, then this reporting verb will take a different shape. Okay, we have learned it in the other video also. So it will become Mohan told, to will go away and only me will come down as it is. Okay, Mohan told me. Then we introduce conjunction that immediately here. Now Raman tells a lie. This is simple present tense. The verb here is simple present tense, so we just need to make it to simple past tense. Okay, Mohan told me that Raman, because this is a name, it doesn't change. Neither of these two, subject or object, is going to affect this. Okay, Mohan told me, because Raman is not this fellow or not this fellow. He is completely different identity. That's why we don't try to change or affect this word with this. Raman will remain as Raman. Mohan told me that Raman. Now simple past tense, tells will turn to simple past tense, told a lie. It is this much simple. Now let us move on to another part, which is another corresponding tense form. We will see corresponding tense form from present continuous to past continuous. Here's an example of present continuous. I am playing cricket. So similar reporting speech we have here. Arun said, I am playing cricket. So when we change, what happens is this present continuous will change to past continuous. This is what we need to know, because our reporting verb is past tense. Okay, so Arun said that. Now Arun is going to affect this because this is first person pronoun, so the subject of the reporting speech is going to affect the subject of the reported speech. Okay, so Arun's pronoun form will be he. Arun said that he. Now am will change to was because it is singular third person, so was is going to qualify here. Okay, subject verb agreement. So he was playing cricket. It's very simple. We can look at another example. This is our example. My friend said to me, you are not participating today. So are not participating. What do you see? This is present continuous but in the negative. Whatever, this will be changed to, as we have seen in the earlier sentence, my friend told me. Now this me and this you, as we know, the second person pronoun in the reported speech is going to be affected by the object of the reporting speech. So this me is going to change this to that, because it is me, first person pronoun will be used here. My friend told me that I was not. R will change to was because it is singular and past tense. Okay, I was not participating. Today will change to that day. This is how nearness will be deferred to farness. Okay, so this is how this sentence will be changed to, my friend told me that I was not participating that day. So this much, and I hope you will stay tuned so that I can bring you more updates, because I'm going to continue with this topic, narration. There are a lot of things to learn, so within one class it is difficult for even students to understand everything. Okay, so I'm going to make these classes part by part so that it becomes easier for all of you to understand. Thank you for watching.